Why you came here?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
I don't know. I just came. I was walking and then I came to Pakistan.
It's not clean country. Dirty.
It's dirty country?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
I think it's okay. It's not bad.
It's not good country.
It's not good. What's the best country?
Nice country, Europe. Germany,
Where do you want? Germany,
France, Italy, Turkey, all are good.
America. Good or no? Very good. Bro, he's just roasting his country. You should say only good things about your country, you know?
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Nice
to meet you.